Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change a battery in a Lincoln Mkz. Begin by parking on level ground and engaging the parking brake. Open the hood and locate the battery or access panel in the trunk depending on model. Wear gloves and eye protection, then gather a 10 mm wrench and battery terminal cleaner. Always disconnect the negative terminal first, then the positive, and remove hold downs carefully before lifting the battery out. Start removal by loosening the clamp or bracket holding the battery with a 10 mm or appropriate socket. Remove any plastic cover or tray carefully and set fasteners aside. Always disconnect the negative cable first and tuck it away to avoid contact. Then remove the positive cable and any vent hoses if present. Unfasten hold-down bolts, use both hands to lift the battery straight up, and place it on a stable surface for recycling or disposal. Position the replacement 12V battery with terminals matching the original orientation to prevent polarity mistakes. Ensure the tray is clean and corrosion-free, and apply a thin dielectric grease to terminals for protection. Secure the battery with the hold-down bracket and hand-tighten bolts before torquing to spec. Reconnect the positive cable first, then the negative, and verify tightness while avoiding over-torque. Start the car and check electrical functions for normal operation.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.